Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change the store in Swiggy Instamart. Instamart operates by automatically connecting you to the closest available store based on your specified delivery address. There isn't a direct option within the app to manually select or switch to a different store. The system is designed for speed, prioritizing the Instamart outlet that can deliver to you most efficiently, ensuring your groceries arrive quickly and fresh. Your delivery address is the single most crucial factor in determining which Instamart store serves you. The application's smart system evaluates your location, then identifies the Instamart outlet best positioned to fulfill your order promptly. If you wish to see products from a potentially different store, you must provide a new delivery location. This action prompts the system to reevaluate and connect you to the Instamart facility closest to that updated address. To effectively change your Instamart store, you need to update your delivery address within the Swiggy application. First, open the app and tap on the address shown prominently at the top of the screen. From there, you can either select an alternative address you have previously saved, or tap Add New Address to input entirely new coordinates. Once you confirm this new location, return to the Instamart section. The application will now display items from the store nearest to your newly provided address. After successfully changing your delivery address, the Instamart section will automatically refresh. You will then observe a new selection of products and categories, reflecting the inventory of the Instamart store closest to your updated location. It is important to note that product availability, specific brands, and pricing can differ significantly between stores. Additionally, delivery fees and the estimated arrival time for your order might also change, depending on the distance from the new store to your revised delivery point.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.